Yes, and I am back for another cooking episode for you guys. Guess what I'll be cooking? Bok choy with chicken for the win! Woohoo! To get started and keep you updated, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get it on! First things first, wash the bok choy. I like to wash it with running water. It's easier and more convenient. And as you can see, I already sliced the ends of the bok choy. Some people prefer not to cut the bottom part, but I like it better that way. You know what guys, this is a fact. I was a picky eater and same as other people, I didn't like veggies. But I'm not getting any younger, you know. And with this recipe, you will surely love it. Now grab some garlic and slice it into small pieces. I usually crush my garlic like this. It's easier for me to peel the skin of the garlic when I do this. If you have a garlic mincer, then that would be great. Other option would be to buy minced garlic in the supermarket, but I'm just used to slicing and chopping and dicing, you know, the traditional way. Set it aside and in the same bowl, add soy sauce. When I cook, I usually just estimate the ingredients that I'm using. And if it doesn't suit my taste buds, then I'll add a bit more. Next is oyster sauce. Less is best, because you can always add up more if it's needed, rather than putting a lot that tends to be salty. That would be harder to alter. Add sugar. Black pepper, then sesame oil and mix it all together, then set aside for now. Now let's prepare the chicken. I'm using chicken leg fillet and sliced it into cubes. You can also use chicken breast if you like. Season it with salt and pepper. You will also need onion, tomato, garlic, spring onion, and ginger for your chicken. In a saucepan, put a desired amount of water, turn up the heat to medium-high, add a little bit of salt to the water, and wait for it to boil. Blanch your bok choy for about 1 to 2 minutes, then drain and set aside. Get a pan and add oil. Sauté the garlic, onion, ginger, and tomato. Now it's time to add the chicken to the pan, then mix it all together. While waiting for the chicken to be cooked, you can now prepare for the cornstarch mixture. Now is the time to pour the sauce. Can you smell it? It's making me more hungry. Can't wait to eat! And oh, don't forget your cornstarch! By the way, you can add chicken powder, but that is optional. Last and definitely not the least, the bok choy. Remember guys, I told you that I was a picky eater, that I hate veggies? This one is superb! Even the picky eaters can eat this, and I can assure you, you will also start loving veggies with this recipe. Yes, I mean it guys. I can attest to that. I bet you're hungry. So what are you waiting for? Turn off the stove, grab a plate and let's eat. Itadakimasu. 잘 먹겠습니다. ngaoneta. Kainana. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Buyers!